welcome back. Welcome back. So today, let's move into a third section. We have said after we have to save our file, we have to go into our files. As we mentioned last video, save as, and then we browse. Then we save where we want to save it inside our desktop. We have to save inside our desktop. Create a folder we call MS3, and then we save our file there. Okay, and that is done. So I say under the focus option, when you click, it's going to appear like this, and you just need to click on the escape key, which is on the keyboard top left corner, to appear to get this back to this view. Okay, so let us look at the ribbons. Okay, the different tabs. So in this our sessions, we are going to be working with the home tab. Okay, we see that in each the ribbon it contains tabs, and each of these tabs goes across. Okay, and in each tab we have our groups. Each group contains what? Each group name contains commands related to that particular groups. Okay, and we also have commands that appear within each groups as mentioned. Okay, therefore a title bar, as I mentioned, we have the ruler, as I mentioned, we have the help section, of zoom. So everything, that's basically how it's appear. Okay, now the print layout view. The print layout view. So if you want to go into the print layout, this is the print. If you want to print a document, okay, it's going to have this particular view. Please, we are going to work detailedly about this. Okay, for now we'll just be going step by step. Let us go back to our main home tab. Okay, so in this area we are going to look at the home tab. We're going to focus on the home tab, and we're going to see how we can actually work with the home tab. Okay, so I've actually input some text here, and in this text we have made it bold. So for our home tab, we are going to have the font. Under the font we have the bold. Okay, I want to make any text to be bold. Okay, we want to make it to be italic. Bold. This is bold. You click on bold, you see as it's changing. You want to make it to be italic, you can click it on italic to see how it is changing. You also want to make it into, let's say this one is bold, let's make this second one to be italic, the second line to be italic, and then click it to make italic. And then let's move to text to make it underline. Okay, in this same underline, you are going to see a small drop down arrow here where you can change the different lines as you wish. Okay, you can give them color too as well, and anyhow that you want to do. Okay, now if you want to strike or to cancel a particular document or a particular section of your document, just simply highlight. What have I done here? To highlight, I will simply click left click and hold my cursor or my mouse down, and then I will highlight. Okay, I can screw it to the left, to the right, up, anyhow that I want to do. Please, that is how you can simply do it. And then once you are done, you allow, and you go and select the area that you want to select or what the command that you want to execute. Okay, so in this our case, I want to make it a strike. I'll make it strike easily. And yeah, we want to make some text. Okay, let's say for example we want to make some text, superscript and subscript. So we have typed, for example, let's say G3, okay, or G4, okay, and then we want to make this 4 to be subscript, or let's say X2, okay, want to make it to be, let's make this 2 to be subscript. So what we do, go there and see, have the X there, subscript, then we'll make it, we'll click there, and then we are going to make it to be a subscript. You can now increase the font size if you want, so you can see it very well. And if you want to make the same 2 to be, let's just duplicate this one. I'll just make it to be 2. And I want to make this one to be x square. I will simply click on it again and go to the other part. I will see x square there. Okay, it can be any number. So that is basically how you can do it. Now, if I want to give this next line, skills over success, what do we do? I can give some styles. I can make it to be, I can give some styles, okay? I can give some outline, if I want to give some outline, and then